Hello friends, and welcome back to my studio. So this is just a little skill building piece that I did, and I just wanted to share it with you guys. So I'm using some light modeling paste here and then acrylic paints just straight out of the tube. Now, one thing I will say for this technique, I didn't love the light modeling paste as much as I like regular modeling paste. It doesn't roll as nicely. If that makes sense. You guys all see me kind of pushing the modeling paste and paint here, and with regular modeling paste it'll kind of create a roll, and I was struggling with that a little bit with this light modeling paste. But I get through it and just do a nice variegation here using different colors. And the modeling paste itself is a opaque product, so it will dry white, and then the little dabs of color that I'm adding in is what's creating the variegation, and that will maintain its color like you see it after it dries. So I'm gonna just kind of speed through this. You'll see how I change the colors out and progress through the piece. But yeah, this is me building some skills up in lead up to some other projects down the line. So sit back, enjoy, and take care.
Coffee in a paper cup, the engine starts right up. Clip myself into the middle seat. Daddy liked talk radio. On gravel he would drive real slow. He told me, let's go see what we could see. We pulled into the empty lot before the pavement got too hot. Underneath her leafy crown, the only shade for miles and miles around. Branches low like spiral stairs, we climbed into her maiden hair. You feel like you can really fly up there.
And here we are with the final piece. And I am just loving all of this variegation. Now this is going to dry almost exactly the same. It'll shrink just a little bit, but it's going to look like this when it's dry. Okay, thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you all have a beautiful day.